Hello friends and happy Friday. Today we're going to continue on with our dive down letters. This letter is different than our N and M. I see a very tall letter, so show me your hand signal for tall letter. This is a letter H. What sound does letter H make? Yes, I hear a lot of. We'll talk about some more words that start with the letter H, but for now we need to start practicing that letter H. So I want you to watch me first. So go ahead and put your pencils down and watch me. You're going to start at the very top up here outside the top line and just dive all the way down. This is a big dive. So imagine this swimmer right here having to dive into a really deep pool to touch the bottom. So I'm going to dive all the way down. I'm going to swim up and over. So just like our N and M, we're going to swim up and over and back down. So starting at the very top, dive all the way down, swim up and over and back down. Okay, now I want you to grab your pencil the right way and we're going to practice tracing this H together. So starting at the top right here, pretend there's a dot. You're going to dive all the way down, swim up and over, and then back down. So right here I have my capital H. This is a really big letter, a big H. But we need to practice tracing this little h so we know what size to make all of these H's. This right here was a jumbo H, but we want to make sure that ours fit and we have great handwriting for when we have to write smaller. So trace this lowercase h with me. Show me a thumbs up if you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, at this dot, I'm going to go straight down, swim up and over, and back down. Let's do 3 more. Awesome job, friends. Now we need to check our H. So instead of adding a dot on the line, I want you to go ahead and add a dot up here. I want everyone to add that dot up here. That way I know that I have enough room to make my tall letter, because if I didn't, let's show an example over here. If I didn't start up here and I started right here and tried to make that H, what letter does that look like? Does that look like an H or a lowercase n? Right, so I'm going to put an X. Don't do that. We want to start up at the top, dive all the way down, swim back up and over and back down. So right here, H is for hair. You already told me that H makes a sound. So what other word starts with the letter H? Great job. Okay, friends, now I want you to add hair to these friends. I want you to take your time and add some fun hair to these friends. Good job, friends. I love to see all that crazy hair y'all drew. Okay, I will see y'all again next week to finish up our alphabet.